Hey folks, I got the HTV Vront manual hat heat press because I'm a small business owner and I thought it'd be a good way to upsell my pastry business as well as my party business. Plus, I can make promotional caps for my employees, for my supporters, family and friends. So this is just an unboxing so that we could see all the different pieces that it comes in it. First of all, it was heavy picking it up. This is the heaviest item that I've gotten so far out of my HTV Vront products. It came with the manual. There's a lot of diagrams in there. It lists the different parts. It came with the electrical cord that you just plug into the wall as well. In the manual, it explains that you need like a steady surface and one that will not burn up. Do not use the heat press on like your sofa or your couch. I have mine right here because I'm just opening up the box, but I will not be pressing my hats on this couch right here. I almost missed this part right here. I didn't see those parts on the side. It came in a really light blue color that looks like a robin's egg. I love the color. It matches my heat press for my t-shirts as well. See the cord right there that you plug into the wall? Smells like fresh paint. I was like, this is spanking new. Okay, so the exact weight is 17.6 pounds. And I think we're going to have to screw these on the bottom of this heat press. They look really simple to just screw in at the bottom. And there's some additional screws right there as well. I think for the big hat platen. It comes with a small hat platen and a big hat platen. I don't know if it's platen or platen, but it comes with a big and a small one. Here are the instructions on the side of the box. Some precautions actually. It says do not use this product outdoors. It's only intended for indoor use. The instructions on how to use it are on the other side of the box. It says you simply press down the hat stretcher with the power off and place the hat on the hat platen, pressing area up. Then lift the hat stretcher to secure the hat. Place the material on the hat and fix it with heat-resistant tape. Cover the design with the Teflon sheet. Power on the machine and press the power button to the left to turn on the machine. It's very simple. It only has 6 steps. They're listed on the side of the box as well as in the manual. Like I said, this is just an unboxing. I'm waiting for some DTFs to be delivered to me. They probably won't come for a week or two. I've just been going back and forth with the gentleman who's going to apply them. Well, not apply them. He's going to put my logo on the DTFs. If you're interested in getting your own hat heat press, look for the link in the description box down below this video.